In today's world, we're constantly exposed to environments that aren't always as clean or balanced as we'd like. Whether it's public spaces, the air in our homes, or even the surfaces we touch, staying ahead of what you breathe and touch matters, and it can make a big difference in how you feel day to day. That's where OregaSpray steps in. OregaSpray is a powerful, all-natural spray that brings the cleansing strength of wild nature right into your hands. It's made with wild mountain oregano, one of the most potent natural cleansing agents known, along with wild lavender and other spice oils. This combination not only smells fresh and invigorating, but it also supports a cleaner, more comfortable space wherever you go. Unlike chemical-based products, OregaSpray contains no synthetic additives, fragrances, or artificial ingredients. It's so pure, you can spray it on food, inhale it directly, or use it around pets and children. That's how gentle and how effective this formula is. Use it in your kitchen on cutting boards, countertops, or even produce. Freshen up your air filters, shoes, or gym bag. Bring it with you on a flight. Use it in hotel rooms, or keep it in your car for everyday use. It's designed to be versatile, portable, and ready when you need it. Many people also love the natural scent, a crisp, refreshing blend of wild lavender and spice that instantly uplifts the space around you. And beyond the aroma, you're getting true support, a clean, balanced environment that supports your body's resilience and peace of mind. If you're someone who wants to maintain a cleaner, healthier space, without harsh chemicals or overpowering perfumes, OregaSpray is a smart, natural tool to keep with you. Try it now. Click the link in the description. This is Martin Pytela, restoring vitality to you and the planet.
Hey!